Is this the ultimate tablet of 2024? Let's dive into the Honor MagicPad 2. Honor's MagicPad 2 is turning heads with its stunning display, powerful performance, and sleek design. But is it worth your attention? Let's find out. Slim, lightweight, and premium. This tablet feels as good as it looks. The build quality is top-notch, with a comfortable design that's easy to hold. The 12.3-inch OLED display is a standout, boasting a 3000 by 1920 resolution, vibrant colors, and 1600 nits of brightness. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals, perfect for both work and play. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 and up to 16 GB of RAM power through multitasking and gaming with ease. macOS 8.0, based on Android 14, offers a seamless, optimized experience. The 13-megapixel rear and 9-megapixel front cameras are sharp and reliable, whether you're snapping photos or on video calls. With a 10,050 mAh battery, you'll easily get through a full day. Plus, 66-watt fast charging keeps you powered up quickly. Enjoy rich, immersive sound from the 8-speaker system, enhanced with spatial sound support. The Magic Pen 3 is a great optional add-on for those who want to boost productivity. The Honor MagicPad 2 offers a fantastic display, powerful performance, and excellent battery life, perfect for entertainment and work. A top contender in 2024. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe for more tech reviews.